Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. The device will feature a 6.82-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a screen resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Galaxy S25 Plus 5G will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be manufactured on the 3nm and 3E process by TSMC, the same advanced manufacturing process used to create Apple's A18 Pro chip. This shift will supposedly cause the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 to be 25 to 30% more expensive than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The latter costs around $190 to $200, which means the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 might cost as much as $260. The least likely is that Samsung will suffer the extra costs of the newer chip and won't increase the S25's price. Alternatively, the company could cut corners in other areas, like battery, display, or build quality, to make up for the chip's higher cost. Another option for Samsung could be to use a new in-house Exynos silicon across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup and free itself from Qualcomm's production costs burden, assuming that the Exynos 2500 won't also be pricier. Either way, this strategy could backfire and result in lower S25 sales if flagship customers haven't warmed up enough to the idea that Exynos is a better chip today than 2 years ago. It has 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It will run on Android 14 with Samsung One UI 6.1 and get powered by a 5100 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. The phone will pack a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 10MP telephoto camera. On the front, there will be a 12MP selfie camera. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus 5G comes in onyx black, marble gray, cobalt violet, amber yellow, jade green, sandstone orange colorways. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.